In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export pages only in WordPress. Whether you're looking to back up your website, migrate to a new platform, or simply save your content for offline edits, WordPress makes it easy to export specific parts of your site without the hassle of copying everything manually. In this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on exporting pages, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure the process is quick and smooth. Plus, if you're new to WordPress, I've got some helpful tips along the way to make things even easier. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can create one using the link in the description below. All right, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on it. To make signing in as streamlined as possible, I recommend using the Continue with Google button. This method saves time and eliminates the need to remember additional login details. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the right one from the list of profiles. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From here, find the Tools section. This section is where you'll access additional management features, such as importing and exporting content. In this case, we'll be focusing on the Export option. Click on Export within the Tools section, and you'll be taken to the Export Content area. Once you're on the Export page, you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu allows you to filter what content you want to include in the export file. Since we're only exporting pages, make sure to select the option specifically for pages. This step is important because it ensures the process does not include posts, media, or other content types from your website. After you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking the Export All button. By doing this, you're finalizing the process and instructing WordPress to package all the pages on your site into a single export file. At this point, WordPress will process your request. The time it takes to generate the file can vary depending on the size of your website and the performance of the server. So be patient if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the system completes the processing, a download link will appear. Click on it to save the generated file to your device. This file contains all your pages in a format that's ready for backup, migration, or offline use. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to export pages from your WordPress site in just a few simple steps. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.